what I'm going to ask you to do with your story is work out what order it would go in. You've only got a series of images. The stories fit different genres, whether they are adventure or comedy or romance. They are fitted to a different genre. You don't have to put them in the natural chronological order. Chronological means that one thing comes after the other, like one thing comes after another in a natural way. You don't need to do that. You can break them up and put them in whatever order you choose. At the moment, I'm not going to ask you to write a single thing down.
Well, the dog's in the bag, and then the dog jumps out and goes in the middle of the road, and then the car comes past, and then the boy looks around and sees the dog in the road, and then that's why the boy screams.
Yeah.
Right, the man on that picture remembering the time when he had the dog when he was little, and then he takes his dog from the wall, and then looks at his phone, and his dog runs off, and now he's hospital.
The dead body was found, and then it's going back in time to what happened. These two people did it, and then they phoned the ambulance, and then there's the dead body. Well, them two ran out, and then they did cheerleading, and then him and her are kissing, and then she found out, and while they've been doing cheerleading, she breaks her heart, and she's upset because they weren't
Fitting the way that I'd expect them to be structured. I've seen one group out of the 4 that I've spoken to so far that have come up with a more original structure than I would have expected. They've got like a natural progression to them. Break that progression, make it a little bit more interesting. That's our 4 parts of a story. Why can't we see the solution first? Why can't we start with the problem